Hi there. In this video, I'd like to give you an overview of Microsoft Dataverse, as we'll be working heavily with the product throughout the course. I'll be introducing you to new terminology at the outset, so we minimize any confusion that might occur as we progress. We'll be considering the Dataverse database that you'll be using to make a model-driven app. We'll also look at some of the key features of Dataverse and then move on to the relevance of Power Platform environments and how they fit into your Microsoft tenant. The Dataverse database is the only database that you can use in order to build a model-driven app. As a database, it allows you to securely store your data, and you have full control over all of the tables and the columns included within those tables. Whilst administration of the database takes place at a local level, management of the database is performed by Microsoft, and this takes place in their data centers. A Dataverse database resides within a Power Platform environment, and you've had a developer environment made available to you so you can create the exercises in this course. Let's consider some of the key features of Microsoft Dataverse. It's a cloud-based data platform. And as you can see in the diagram on the right-hand side, it's complex, but it aims to simplify data management. And we'll see that when we build our model-driven app and the data model that we need to build it. The security layer that ensures only the right people see the right things is already built into the product. And in addition to having a rich array of data types, including image and file, Dataverse ensures that the data is stored in the right location according to the type of data. Dataverse can be integrated both inside and outside Microsoft 365 through to Power Automate Cloud Flows, Power BI, Power Automate, and even Microsoft Dynamics. And as such, you can build robust business applications with the product. One thing to note at a very early stage is you get one database per environment. Power Platform environments are really important for working with the Power Platform. They hold your apps, cloud flows, and they can also hold your business data. All environments are geographically bound. This enables the speed of the applications to work faster and also to cope with data residency rules. Power Platform environments also contain connectors both to Microsoft services and to third-party services such as Oracle or SAP. And we'll be talking more about connectors in the topic on Power Automate. Management of Power Platform environments is performed by local admin teams, and that also includes access to those environments. In this course, you have access to a developer environment, and you'll be a system administrator on that environment, which will give you a lot of flexibility with your work. As mentioned earlier on in this video, you only get a single Dataverse database within your environment. And this is a good thing because it allows us to have application lifecycle management processes. And that means that we can develop in a flexible way within our development environments, then move it into a test environment so we can verify that it works correctly under a lot of circumstances, before finally moving it into a production environment where we would expect our organizational users to be working. As you can see in the slide on the right-hand side, you can have many environments per tenant. Within the Contoso core tenant, you can see that there are 9 environments. We have 3 in each of USA, Canada, and Australia. And you can see they've got one Dataverse database in each of those. But what exactly is a Microsoft tenant? A tenant is like a container that holds all of your Microsoft 365 services and data, including the Power Platform. It's your organization's exclusive space in Microsoft's cloud environment. We saw on the previous slide, the Power Platform environments exist within your tenant, and you can have multiple Power Platform environments. And these environments contain your organization users who have authenticated access to the data and services within those environments. Typically, organizations have a single tenant, and only the largest of organizations have multiple tenants. So let's do a recap of what we've covered. In this topic, we're going to be building a model-driven app, and in order to do that, we need a Dataverse database. And that database will exist within our developer environment. And the environment exists within the tenant that you've had made available to you for the purposes of this course. I'll see you in future videos.